Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today we are going to learn section number 4, genre novel. We are going to study 4.1 history of novel in two parts so that you will understand it better. In first part, we are going to learn what is novel, its history, information of novelists and elements of novel. Why we are learning novel? What are the objectives of novel? After studying this unit, this chapter, you will be able to understand and identify novel as a genre of literature. You will be able to learn the definition of novel. You will be able to explain the difference between novel and other forms of literature. You will be able to not only explain the basic elements of novel but also understand the types of novels. Various novelists try to define novel such as F. Marion Crawford, W. H. Hudson, Fielding, etc. F. Marion Crawford, a popular American novelist, described novel as a pocket theatre containing all the accessories of drama without requiring to be staged before an audience. Commonly accepted definition of novel is a long narrative in prose detailing in actions of fictitious people. W. H. Hudson remarks, anyone can write a novel who has pens, ink, and paper, and command and a certain amount of leisure and patience. Fielding called novel is a comic epic in prose. History of novel. The novel as a literary genre has a long history of about 2000 years. About 2000 years ago from now, novel evolved from Greek romances. Greek romances means Greek stories of ideal love, adventure, heroism, bravery, and battles. Later on, some attempts of writing novel were Virgil's Eclogues, Thomas Malory's Maud de Arthur, and Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji has been described as the world's first novel. It was written in 1010. Also, in this same time, European Spanish novelist Miguel de Cervantes wrote Don Quixote in two parts. First part published in 605 and second part in 615. The 18th century, that means from 1701 to 1800, has gifted English literature two entirely new forms. One was the periodical essay and the other was novel. Newspapers and magazines are best examples of periodicals. But as a literary genre, novel became more popular in 18th century. Let's study some of the popular periodicals of 18th century. Tatler was written by Steele and it published thrice a week. Then the Spectator, Daily, and the Guardian was published by Daily. and it was wrote by Steele and Addison. Next is the review. Review was published by Daniel Defoe. It was a weekly periodical. The Rambler, the Idler, the Adventurer were published by Dr. Samuel Johnson. The Examiner, the Reflector, the Indicator were published by Leigh Hunt. A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction in prose. The present English word novel is derived from the Italian word novella. Novella means new. A novel narrates a story with more details of time, place, nature, people, their minds, and their gestures and activities. Novel mainly deals with intellectual, sentimental, and realistic topics and tries to instruct the readers which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. 18th century people literary test. In 18th century there were two class of people were there. First one is middle class people and second one is upper class people. Middle class people attracted to newspaper and magazines. They used to read at coffee shops. Novels were highly expensive to buy, so they read newspapers and magazines. Upper class people used to take interest in enthusiasm, passion, and imagination. Newly educated people took interest in reading novels. Reading novel was a status symbol of rich people of that time. After 1740, novel originated as an officially literary form of England. Let's study some women novelists and their novels. The Novel of Manners, Evelina by Frances Burney. Gothic novels by Anne Radcliffe. A novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Jane Austen, Bronte sisters, Emily and Charlotte's The Wuthering Heights, and Jane Eyre. Psychological novels by George Eliot. Virginia Woolf, the pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Agatha Christie, crime-based novels. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple, detective novels. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison, and Alice Walker were some of the novelists which were really popular at that time. Novel, Indian scenario, some Indian English novelists. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay is the first Indian English novelist, and his novel Raj Mohan's Wife was the first Indian English novel. Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao, Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgaonkar, Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, Upamanyu Chatterjee, Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar are the few names of Indian English novelists. Now let's talk about the elements which are necessary while writing a novel. Plot. Plot Plot is the originated pattern or sequence of events that make up a story. Every plot is made of a series of incidents that are related to one another. So, let's study the sequence of events that make up a story, especially in plot. Exposition. This really occurs at the beginning of a novel. Here, the characters are introduced. We also learn about the setting of the story. Most importantly, we are introduced to the main conflict, that is main problem. Then next comes rising action. This part of the story begins to develop the conflicts and a building interest or suspense occurs. Climax. This is the turning point of the story. Usually, the main character comes face to face with a conflict. The main character will change in some way. Falling action. All loose ends of the plot are tied up. The conflicts and climax are taken care of. Resolution. The story comes to a reasonable ending. Now, there are basic elements of a novel: theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, and language or style. Let's try to understand all these elements in detail. Theme. Theme is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. The next element, plot. Plot is the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict, either internal or external. Plot may be simple or complex, means one plot or having more plots consisting the interviewing of many subplot points in it. Character. The next important element of novel is character. Story takes place because of the behavior of the characters. Characterization is related to the plot as the course of events take place because of the certain behavior of the character. The important character may have been described in its every aspects by the writer. The minor character are not given much importance. The reader follow the actions of one main character throughout the novel. This character is referred to as protagonist. Protagonist means main character is in contact with a character or an entity or a force, maybe internal or external, which is known as antagonist. Next element is setting. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of the setting. It includes place, period, time, climate, or weather, and lifestyle. Plot and character are the two major elements that are affected due to setting. The struggle between the opposite forces in the story is called conflict. Conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. The literary purpose of the conflict is to create tension in the story. The conflict makes the story more interesting to the readers. And the next important element of novel is language or style. The language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as the style. An author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be laconic and would write on to the print, or he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. An author of the novel may use linguistic devices to make the narration effective. The language or style of the novel decides the texture of the narration and create an impact on the readers. Thus, today we have studied history of novel, its essential elements. Now we will meet in the next virtual lecture with the information of various types of novels. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.